Blow my whistle, baby. Blow my whistle, baby. Open up, put it in. Let's begin.
Whistleblowing is to tell authorities or somebody in authority that somebody else is doing something wrong.
Whistleblower usually is someone who sees something bad happen and they report it to government, a superior in an office, if that's where they see something. Like, you steal a stapler and you work next to me and I go and tell the boss, she stole this. Whistleblowing, huh? Yeah. I know that, whistleblowing, yes. I know, when I am happy I will blow whistle. When I watch football I will blow whistle. So that means it indicates the happiness of the individual. Okay. Okay?
Whistleblowing. Whistleblowing means when someone conducts wrongdoing in the organization and he goes to expose this wrongdoing by telling the boss or anyone else inside or outside the organization.
Do you know what does whistleblowing mean?
Yes?
Whistleblowing?
Blowing?
Yeah.
No, understand. No.
Now you're doing it like you're supposed to.
What does whistleblowing mean?
I'm not sure about this. Yes.
Blow your whistle, blow your whistle, blow your whistle, blow your whistle, blow your whistle.
Depends on the situation. For instance, you stole a stapler. That's a big item. Yes, I would probably say something. But you took a paper clip. I don't think I would say anything about that. I would just tell you to put it back.
Depends. How wrong is it?
Actually, I will not blow my whistle directly. First, I'm going to talk to the person himself. If he didn't stop that wrongdoing, then I'm going to tell the boss about this person and his wrongdoing. If the boss knows about that and he accepted that wrongdoing, maybe for his profit, then I'm going to blow, in this case, I'm going to blow my whistle in front of people.
You gotta miss 'em.